on this beautiful beast, it came in a couple of days ago. It's got battery issues. It was draining down the lithium ion battery from like 14% left. It came down to about 5%. I was able to charge the battery back to 100%, which is great. But once we checked after it's charged, the alternator is not charging the car. So we're thinking either the alternator is bad or the battery itself is bad and it's not engaging the alternator to charge the car itself. What is the real problem? Because these batteries are not really cheap. They're like between, I think, $3,000 to $6,000 for the battery, and they got a program and all that good stuff. So I want to make sure we get the correct diagnosis, because I don't want to just throw parts at it, because who's going to eat that $6,000? I don't want to eat it. I'm pretty sure the customer doesn't want to eat it either. We'll take our time on this, make sure we get the correct diag and fix it properly, so we don't have to keep paying money over and over again for throwing parts at it. I hate that. I hate throwing parts at cars. I usually take a lot longer for diagnosing it, because sometimes I'd rather spend more time to diagnose it correctly than throw parts at it. Or you can take it to AutoZone, they'll plug it in for you and get you a free code and see what what's all about.